My hand is big, right? Now you see how far apart these are, like nothing. It's nothing.
All rise. Superior Court of Hudson County, State of New Jersey is now.
There's normal dogs. And then there's Bella.